Hey there! Are you a business owner or a merchant with a Paystack storefront and you're looking to make sure that your deliveries are timely, organized, and seamless? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you just how to connect your Paystack storefront to Terminal Africa, which now allows you access to multiple carriers and everything that you need for the logistics part of your business to function effectively. Now, first of all, you want to log into your Terminal Africa account. If you don't already have an account with Terminal Africa, then you have to sign up. When signing up, you can either sign up as an individual or a merchant so that you're allowed access to integrations. Now, when that is done, log into your account. When you're logged in, on the dashboard, you'll see to the left-hand side there's integrations on the store. You click on integrations. Here you can integrate your store to WooCommerce, Paystack, Shopify, Webflow, but this tutorial is mainly for Paystack. So you click on activate. Your store name, your store URL, and secret key will be required, but no worries, I'm going to show you just how to get that. Now you go to Paystack and you log into your Paystack account. When you're logged in, you go to settings. You click on API keys and webhooks, then you copy your live secret key. You want to go back to Terminal Africa and then you input the key on that secret key. And now you put the name of your store and your store URL and then you connect. Very easy, very straightforward. Now to access the orders that come to your store, you click on orders just below integrations. You click on Paystack and these are all your orders. You can just directly arrange your shipments from here. If you want to know how to arrange shipment on Terminal Africa, there's already a tutorial in the how to category, but I'm going to be putting the link in the description box below. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or concerns. You can reach us via email at help@terminal.africa, or you can reach us on any of our social media platforms at terminal_Africa. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.